D47 team. January 14th marked the last day that Microsoft sends updates for Windows 7, and this creates a major security threat for our school district. Starting immediately, we will be going around and collecting all Windows 7 laptops and upgrading where it's possible. If you have a Windows 7 laptop, please do not use it. Leave it powered off and contact tech support to have it checked out. If you are wondering how to find out if you have a Windows 7 laptop, this is what the start menu looks like. A couple of months ago, we mentioned the amount of paper we consumed since 2017, and the numbers were eye-popping. However, what we failed to mention was the amount of paper we did save since we started using the tools to help manage it. So we ran the numbers, and here's what we have to present. In the same span of time, we saved 295,000 sheets of paper, equating to 590 reams. That amounts to 35 trees saved and 4,000 kilograms of CO2. For a little over a 2-year span, that's not bad. Keep up the good work, everyone. Taking care of our planet. Another way to save the environment is to remember to turn off your projector when it's not in use. That AV mute button can be misleading. It basically turns your screen black but doesn't actually turn off the lamp. So if you're leaving your room for any length of time, please power off your projector. It'll reduce the power we consume and save the life of the bulb. We're often questioned how to clean technology devices, so we want to quickly show you how. Spray bottles work great. Any Windex or 409 type of cleaner is perfect, preferably the antibacterial solution. Just don't spray directly onto the device. It's best to have a rag and spray the rag just enough. Don't soak it. Then wipe down the device. Clorox wipes work great as well. Just make sure you squeeze off some of the excess liquid solution before wiping it, or you'll drench your device. Thanks for all that you do for our students and everything that you are doing to protect our planet. See you in the next one.